Excuse me, I ordered an iced vanilla latte with oat milk, but I think this one is hot.
Oh no, I'm really sorry about that. Let me check the sticker. Yeah, you're right. We accidentally made it hot.
It's okay. I know it's really busy this morning.
Thank you for being patient. I'll remake it right away.
Thanks. Also, my name is Emma, not Emily.
Oh wow, we are making every mistake today.
At least you admitted it honestly.
True. Give me 2 minutes and I'll fix everything.
Morning rushes here always look stressful.
You have no idea. We've already made 50 coffees in 1 hour.
Seriously?
Yup. People want extra shots, almond milk, no foam, less ice, extra caramel. My brain is melting.
That sounds chaotic.
One customer asked for a half-sweet, extra hot, upside-down caramel macchiato.
Well, thank you for surviving the coffee battlefield.
And thank you for not yelling at me.
Honestly, people should be kinder to service workers.
That means a lot.
I used to work in retail, so I understand difficult customers.
Oh, really? Then you know the pain.
Oh, yes. Especially when customers blame you for things you didn't do.
Exactly. Yesterday, someone got angry because we ran out of croissants.
Obviously your personal fault.
Clearly.
This cafe actually has a nice atmosphere, though.
Thanks. The owner wanted it to feel cozy, even during busy hours.
The music helps.
And the smell of coffee.
Definitely the smell of coffee.
Okay, your iced vanilla latte with oat milk is almost ready.
Perfect. I really need caffeine today.
Rough morning?
I overslept, missed my bus, and spilled cereal on my shirt. I almost gave up and went back to bed.
But now you're here. Coffee solves many problems.
Hopefully all of them.
Here you go. 1 iced vanilla latte with oat milk for Emma.
Cold this time?
I triple-checked.
This is actually really good.
Oh, thank goodness.
You seem calmer now.
Because the line finally disappeared.
Oh, wow, you're right.
This is the peaceful moment before the lunch crowd attacks.
You describe customers like zombies.
Hungry caffeine zombies.
Fair enough.
So, do you come here often?
Sometimes. Usually before work.
What do you do?
I work at a marketing company downtown.
Nice. Sounds stressful, too.
It can be. Lots of deadlines and meetings.
So both of us survive on coffee.
Basically.
At least coffee brings people together.
That sounds surprisingly philosophical for a barista.
Lack of sleep makes me wise.
Or delirious.
Maybe both.
Well, thanks again for fixing the order so quickly.
Of course. We always try to make things right.
What's the best way to complain politely when an order is wrong?
Honestly, exactly how you did it.
Really?
Yeah. You stayed calm and explained the problem clearly.
So, not screaming across the cafe?
Preferably not.
Good advice.
Simple phrases work best.
Like what?
Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake with my order.
Excuse me. I think there's been a mistake with my order.
Perfect.
Any other useful phrases?
Could you please remake this?
Could you please remake this?
Nice.
That sounds polite, but direct.
Exactly. Being respectful usually gets faster help.
People forget workers are human.
Thank you for saying that.
No problem.
Honestly, kind customers can completely change our day.
And good coffee can change ours.
Deal.
Wait, can I also order a blueberry muffin?
The cafe survives another order.
Sorry.
One blueberry muffin coming right up.
This place might become my regular cafe now.
Then I promise I'll remember your name next time.
We'll see about that.
Emma, I'm locking it into memory forever.
Good.
Pause and repeat. Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake with my order.
Excuse me. I think there's been a mistake with my order.
Pause and repeat. Could you please remake this?
Could you please remake this?
Pause and repeat. I ordered an iced latte with oat milk.
I ordered an iced latte with oat milk. Pause and repeat. Thank you for fixing the problem. Thank you for fixing the problem. Mini quiz time. What phrase would you use if your coffee order was wrong? Comment your answer below in English. And tell us, what's your favorite coffee order? Don't forget to practice speaking out loud every day. See you in the next English conversation lesson.